A really quick Pico De Gallo. Basically, it's just a salsa, and all you need, cutting board, knife. I'm gonna use a piece of this pepper, a bunch of tomatoes. I got 4 little tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, some regular onion, and some lime. And you need a food processor, and that's about it. Okay, found the blade. So this tomato has a little blemish, so I cut that off. Put them in whole. I'm gonna put 2 jalapenos in, so I'm just gonna chop the top off. I'm gonna do probably about 1/4 of this pepper. I don't love my salsas too peppery. I think the pepper takes over. So I'm just taking out the inside, the white parts, and then cutting it in half. And lastly, an onion. So I'm gonna use about this much of the onion. I guess that would probably be like a small onion. Actually, that's probably too much, yeah. I'm just gonna use like 1/4 this much of the onion. Alright, tomatoes, peppers, onion. That's it. Alright, so don't put this on high or low, just pulse it. So, 1. Still a little bit chunky, so I'm going to pulse it a few more times. Yeah, so it's kind of thick, but that's how I want it. So, transfer it to the bowl. Have a spatula. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze. I have a little bit of lime left in this, so squeeze this in. Mix that through a little bit. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna grab a chip. Okay. This might be really hot. I usually only put 1 jalapeno in. It's really good, tastes really fresh. It has a good balance of all the flavors. This one really isn't too tomato-y. I could probably put in 1 more tomato or so, but overall, really delicious, not even that spicy. I don't think jalapenos are as spicy as they used to, but if you do want it more spicy, just put in, use a habanero, use a different type of pepper, maybe put in a dash of hot sauce. But we are making fish tacos tonight, well, shrimp tacos, so I wanted to have this on deck ready for dinner. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I appreciate your support.